you want to make money through affiliate marketing, but the biggest struggle that most affiliate marketers face are struggles in regards to traffic. In this video, I will review the 5 best traffic sources that actually work, that are tried and tested by most affiliate marketers. I will include also a bonus one that most people ignore, but it's a hidden treasure trove. Here is what I will cover in this video. I will cover the 5 best traffic sources that an affiliate marketer can use to make sure that they receive traffic to their affiliate product. These will include sources like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and many others. And I will reveal one of the best traffic sources that most people ignore. Stay tuned. My name is Alistair, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for quite a number of years, and I know that there is money in affiliate marketing. When you are just starting out, it's really hard, but once you get it, you are done and dusted. Before I go any further, please, I've seen that 99.5% of people who watch my videos are non-subscribers, and I beg with all earnest that can you please subscribe to this channel? Why? Because we share valuable tips on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and how to make money online. So there is a good reason to click that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, and however, it's not that easy. I know you have been sold the good dream of making money, and it's indeed possible to make that amount of money. But obviously what you need is traffic to your affiliate link. So the first method is YouTube. YouTube is a gold mine. YouTube is a gold mine. Why? Because it is a very good traffic source to market your own products. What you need to do is to focus on the following things. Number one, I know it's difficult to get started on YouTube. Why? Because you need a camera, a very quality one, so that you can promote your products in a quality way, in a good way. Some people are even shy of going in front of the camera, but what you need is to get, the first thing is the ambition, the desire, the zeal for it to work for you. The second thing is to use whatever you have. As you can see, I shoot my videos from a very dumb phone, and I still use my phone. Whatever I have at hand that time, I still use it. Why? Because getting started is the best form of action. So YouTube, what you need to do is you need to target high buyer intent keywords. You will discover that most people, when they want to buy something, they go on YouTube like me to just search what other people are saying about that product, and try as much as possible to create evergreen content that will not expire. Take for example, if you are in the healthy niche, content that will never expire are maybe tips to get fit, 5 tips to get a slim body. That will never expire. That's evergreen content. Now, I'm not saying it all ends there. You have to do your research, create product reviews, tutorial videos on how to use the product, and make sure you don't just post. You do your SEO research on the topic which you want to do, and see if people are interested in that topic. Make sure your SEO is in sync. Make sure your SEO is on point, and then you put your affiliate links in the description. But make sure you don't just post videos trying to sell to people. Try to solve their problems first with all good intentions. Try to solve their problem with good intentions. And I've seen that also people buy when you yourself, you are the product of your own product. When you demonstrate yourself using the same product, not just promoting a product which even you yourself you can't afford. Try to promote a product that you yourself use. Maybe demonstrating how to use the product, demonstrating how it has affected your life and how it has improved your life, demonstrating with the product, and you put your affiliate links in the description, or you direct people to your own website for more information. That way you get traffic to your affiliate offer. The second method is Facebook. People tend to ignore Facebook, and those that try to use it, they use it the wrong way, as I did. They go into groups and spam people. They post their offer just in any way, which is bad for affiliate marketing. The first way is to do videos. Same as what I said about YouTube. Do videos. People watch videos, and nowadays for both Facebook and YouTube, there is a trend of short videos, reels and shorts. Try to do short, engaging videos with your affiliate links or with your affiliate offer, demonstrating benefits, what benefits people, not just spamming them. Then joining forums, groups, contributing with genuineness in those groups. That's the best way to market your affiliate offer via Facebook. The third method is blogging. Yes, I know blogging is quite difficult. You have to have a website, but that's the only way. I know some people, when they are getting started, you don't even have the budget to have a website, but try as much as possible to have a minimal budget that you can purchase a good web hosting cheaper. If you need affordable web hosting, I've put a link to one of the most affordable international web hosting platforms so that you can get a very good, reliable web hosting and create a very good, reliable WordPress website or any type of website, but preferably website. Make sure you post regularly. I would recommend maybe around 10 posts per week. Maximize your potential. Maximize, post as much as possible. Good quality information, not for the sake of posting, helping solving people's problems. Make sure that your content is SEO friendly. Use tools like Ahrefs, keyword research tools. Make sure that your SEO is on point and your content has the potential to receive organic traffic. A simple blog post can make you $500 plus per month if it ranks well. The fifth method and final method is TikTok. Remember, I said I'll share a bonus method. TikTok is a gold mine. Most people now are searching on TikTok rather than it. There has been a trend where people are now using even TikTok basically as a replacement of their search engines. Short, engaging videos. Remember, a short clip, 1 minute clip, can work on TikTok, can work on Facebook Reels, can work also on YouTube Shorts. It can also work on TikTok short on TweetX short videos. So short videos are the way to go, and TikTok is a gold mine, especially if you have an affiliate offer that targets young people. But I've seen there is a fair share of people now even older than the Generation Z joining TikTok. So TikTok is a gold mine. If possible, try to make your research, check what's trending on TikTok, which products or affiliate products are trending on TikTok, then make sure your content is on point and good quality content. As I provided, you see, I'm providing good quality content. So there is a reason to subscribe, to like, share, and comment, depending with where you are watching from. If you are watching from YouTube, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click that bell icon. If you are watching from Facebook, please don't hesitate also to share, comment, and also follow our Facebook page. Comment with any question which you might want in the comment section below. I'll be very glad to assist you. If I've created a free ebook with more than 10 affiliate offers, affiliate traffic sources for affiliate marketers, please just comment in the comment section, say ebook, and I will reply you with instructions on how to get the ebook. The bonus method is email marketing. You see, once you get traffic to your blogs, make sure that people leave their email addresses. Try to capture their email addresses. Chances are high that after consistent emailing and quality emailing, people will likely convert. And also those who bought your affiliate product, if it's a product that is repeat friendly, they will still repeat buying through your affiliate links. I hope this will help someone, and I hope you have watched till the end. Please Don't hesitate to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time.